We are very delighted that you could join us for this momentous groundbreaking event.
It's a fantastic opportunity to be here today to celebrate the groundbreaking of our plasma expansion project and the ribbon cutting of our tear-down facilities.
It's a great significance of investment in the plasma business in LA, in the site here. So excitement is the word I would use.
Being able to see the people that work on my medicine to make sure I can go to school every day and play sports and hang out with my friends.
I'm most excited for the patients who depend on the plasma-derived therapies that we provide, and our investments both in expansion of our BioLife collection network in California as well as our Los Angeles facility, and today with the groundbreaking of the new frac facility, this means that more patients are going to be able to get sustainable access to our plasma-derived therapies, and this is exciting.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I want to thank our dedicated employees whose commitment to our patients is at the heart of everything we do at this site and at Takeda globally.